Welcome to Samin's Reviews, and this is the Mt-09 build that you are with. This is part 3 of the series. I don't know how many parts that we actually gonna have. So today what we are going to do is just finish off the bike basically. Point where we got the tail tidy on. And we are just going to get the indicators, the bar and mirrors, the rear seat, and also the side fairings for the rear and the tail light on the bike today, and hopefully go for a test ride on it. That's the plan. Still doesn't have plates, so we can't really ride on the road, so we'll just do a lap just around here. So it's just cool. So the indicators are working, one of them. Just need to get the rest so on. We got both of the indicators on, so it just clips in here. If you buy this set from them, it comes with everything, I think. So just got all the wiring plugged into it. Now I can just finish putting the rest of the fairings, and there's not much on a naked bike, to be honest. So basic stuff's all done. Indicators work, headlights working, front lights working. We're very close now. Okay, so the last bits of the bike is getting put on. So we got the new tail light, got this bracket mounted on. Oh. Something's not right.
I think that goes inside here, maybe.
Yeah, that's it.
Like that, right?
Yeah, goes like that. Okay, so now something is right. What?
Oh, no.
You found the nut?
No. That was the other one that's here.
Yeah. We have upgraded the nuts to state of the art VW spec hex bolt, 3 times more stronger than your original Yamaha ones. And good luck to whoever's gonna take that off. It has started to look like a complete bike. Okay, we do. Okay, now we tight. So just a little bit. And then the rest of the stuff are literally just plastic clips that goes underneath. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that goes underneath, so I'm not gonna record just putting every plastic bit on. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the bike for now. So let's see. Just gotta tighten everything on. I don't want to put boring music, so I'll just keep it like this. Why are you laughing? Yeah. Okay, you will see once the other side's fully tightened. Okay, so that's on. Everything's pretty much on. Last thing we need to put is what? The seat. Seat goes on like that. The horse is ready to be ridden. Oh, okay. Look at that, we got a complete bike. Oh, I think so. Oh yes, it goes on like that. So yeah, that's the bike completed. So next part is we need to wash it, clean it. We've just checked the antifreeze on it, just to see, because this has been sitting for a little bit. It's nice and blue. Oil is clean, but we're still going to do a full service on the bike, most likely tomorrow. And we are also waiting for some stuff that I've got, so we'll just show you what I'm going to use to clean the bike and wash the bike. And yeah, we can finally ride the bike. Okay, we can finally start it. I don't think anybody have heard this thing running. It's neutral. Oh, that sounds nice. The bike's full stock, so it's not that loud. It's just what it is. I have ordered an aftermarket exhaust for it, so once that's here, that will be much louder. But we'll keep it like this for compliance. So you let it warm up and take it for a spin.
Yeah, right away.
It's so fast, man.
How does it feel?
Fuck, it feels great.
The back feels good.
It's just way too quick.
It's quick, eh?